Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your Windows PC. So I'm just going to open up my on-screen keyboard, and there's a specific button combination you want to press. So it's going to be Shift, and then the Windows button right here, and then S on your keyboard. So press all three of these down at the same time. And when you do that, it's going to open up the screenshot option, switch it on over to video right here, and then just highlight what you want to record. And then you can include your microphone right here. And then you can mute the system audio too if you want that. But press start. And now it's recording whatever you're recording on the screen. And then go to the little red box right here to stop, or you can just pause it too. So we can stop the recording. And it will open up this box and we can play back. And that's what I'm doing. Awesome. And if you go up to the top right now, you can go to open recording folder right here. And you can see where everything is saved to. So I can delete this now since I'm not going to use this. But you can see it's in your username right here, and this looks like it's my work folder for some reason. But you can also go to settings and check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.